Hey there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I am coming to you today with a quick little 3-step process for longer wearing lovely lips. And the first step is going to be a lip conditioner. So I have 3 different options to share with you. Actually, the one I am using today is our Vitamin C Antioxidant Lip Treatment. You'll actually find this in our skincare collection rather than our makeup collection because it goes with our vitamin C skincare. But it's just an antioxidant lip treatment, helps to smooth and moisturize the lips with those antioxidant protective benefits. We also have our Glimmer lip conditioner, and those of you who maybe used the Beyond Color lip conditioner back in the day will be glad to try out the Glimmer lip conditioner, because this is going to be the closest to that formula. And again, that's going to just soften and smooth the lips ahead of your other lip products. And the third one that I wanted to share is actually our Glimmer Lip Plumper. And this one is more of a liquid formula, but it also not only smooths and moisturizes the lips, but gives them a little bit of plump as well, without that kind of stinging sensation that a lot of plumpers have. So your first step is to condition, soften, moisturize your lips, kind of prep your lips. I actually like to do this step when I'm doing my skincare, regardless of which lip conditioner you use. I like to do it as part of my skincare routine just to give it a little bit of time to work on the lips and really prep those. But if you don't get a chance to do it ahead of time, just do this as your first step of applying your lip color for the day. Next step is lip liner. Now, I know we get in a hurry. This is a step we tend to skip a lot. Guilty. But lip liner is going to go a long way to extend the wear of your lipstick. And of course, you've got that traditional lip liner benefit of it's going to keep your lipstick from bleeding and feathering out from the edge of the lips. So what I like to do with my lip liner is I don't just line the edge of the lip, but I like to fill in the whole lip so it gives my lipstick something to hold on to. The other little lip liner tip that I have is when I am filling in my lips, I have along the edge of my lip, I'm starting to lose some color. So I like to use a lip liner shade that is very close to my natural lip color so that I can fill in that part where I'm starting to lose color along the edge. So I'm not a huge fan of lining outside the lip, but some people can do it and have it look really natural. You can also, I'm not sure why you would want to do this. Some people line slightly inside the edge of their lip if they want their lips to look not as full. I don't actually know any of these people. I've just heard they exist. So I'm going to line along the edge first and fill in where my natural color has kind of faded. And if you are just lining to define the edge of the lip, you probably want to go with, you're going to want to go with either a shade that matches your lip color perfectly, or a shade that is very, very close to your lipstick shade, so you don't get that coloring page outline look to your liner. That's another reason I like to fill in the whole lip, because then I don't have to match quite so precisely. When you fill in the whole lip with lip liners, you can also use your lip liner to alter the color of your lipstick. So you can go a little bit lighter, a little bit darker starting color with your lip liner, and then that can kind of just slightly adjust the shade of your actual lipstick if you want to do that. So now I'm going to fill in the lip with the liner. And again, that's just going to give my lipstick something to hold on to, so it's going to wear a little bit longer. And then you just top it off with your favorite lipstick, or even lip gloss, or something like the Birthday Balm, kind of sheer lip crayon, or your favorite Glimmer lip glaze that has a little bit of color and that shine. I was just double checking that I had the right name, because I suddenly thought I had the wrong name and it happened to be on the page next to me here. I really love the Glimmer Satin lipstick. It's a very feather-light formula, nice, smooth, satiny finish. 30 fabulous colors, 10 of which are our top-selling shades from a previous True Color lipstick line. So we brought those 10 shades out in our Glimmer lipstick. So that's pretty much it. That is my 3 steps. So prep with like the vitamin C antioxidant lip treatment, the Glimmer lip conditioner, or the Glimmer lip plumper. Line and fill in with your favorite shade of lip liner. Of course, I love the Glimmer lip liners. I think they are a nice creamy formula, very easy to work with. And then follow with your favorite lipstick, lip gloss, lip balm, whatever lip crown works best for you. So that is my lovely lip tip for the day. Hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you again soon.